are out here in Fremont for week 3 of the Take Back Your Rights campaign, and the momentum is definitely with us. Even though the rain is out there, and you'll notice I am wearing a jacket, so I'm not open carrying at the moment, not violating any laws or anything like that. But for us, this all started out as a result of AB 144 and an attempt of the legislature to try to take away our right to open carry. Now there's also SB 661, which would expand the gun-free school zones and make it almost impossible to open carry almost anywhere in any populated area where there's schools. But this is not an open carry thing that we are doing with Take Back Our Rights. Anybody who feels that the government is taking away any of their rights in any way whatsoever, I want them to come and join us, because what we are doing is we are going from city to city and we're picking up people as we go, because they know what's going on. They know the government has been taking away our rights, and they believe that the people aren't paying attention to what's going on. And we can't do this any longer. It's time for the people to realize what has been going on for the past number of decades. And our rights are going to continue to be taken away from us unless we say enough is enough. We want our rights back. So we're out here in Fremont. We got a lot of people out here. We got Tea Party people, Responsive Citizens of California, NorCal Open Carry, a lot of organizations out here. Every week we're going to go to another place. Next week we're going to be out here out in Livermore, and we're going to march towards Sacramento, and we're going to end up this summer on the steps of the Capitol, basically, and telling our legislatures, you guys got to stop what you're doing, stop taking away our rights, and we want our rights back. So that's it from Fremont, and we'll see you next week in Livermore.